Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add grid lines to a graph on Microsoft Excel. You might want to add or change the grid lines to help make your graphs and charts easier to read. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. In Excel, make sure you have the basics of your graph set up correctly. For example, ensure that all your data is correctly presented and inputted. To add or change the grid lines on the graph, first select your graph or chart by clicking on it once. Now go to the Chart Design tab at the top. In here choose Add Chart Element, which should be the furthest left option. In the menu that opens, hover over grid lines and Excel will present some options. You can choose one or more of these options for the grid lines, and you may need to play around with your axis options to adjust where they appear to. If you want to customize the appearance of the grid lines, you can click on More Grid Line Options in the menu we were just on to further customize how they will appear on the graph. This is done in the new window that opens on the right, and you can change things like the thickness. And so that is how to add grid lines to a graph on Microsoft Excel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.